Apart from declaring October 15, the day India annexed Manipur in 1949 as Black Day for the people of Manipur. On October 15, 1949, Manipur was declared part of India after the then King of Manipur signed the merger agreement on September 21st in the same year in Ceylon. Different armed outfits have imposed total shutdown in Manipur today. The total shutdown to be affected from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. today. However, the shutdown did not cover emergency and essential services like medical, electricity and water supply and religious ceremonies. Markets and shops were closed during the shutdown. Traffic was thin on the roads. As today is Sunday, school, colleges and other institutes were closed. Security measures have been taken up by the police department. No untoward incident has been reported till now.
Lalangosinga Manipur India da namda tilhan khiba Manipur yaning dawa khongdok tuna kau khiba pungkai thogi banna bazar kaya amadi dukan kaya thong hang nakhide lambi da mi chatpagi sang amadi gari chatpagi sang nemkhi hiram asigi matang da pau dom jariba video journalist Posya Walunana Jenin Chandra Konsam ELITETV News Imagatha.